everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today, when you guys are seeing it, it's going to be Tuesday, July the 5th of 2022, and I'm coming at y'all with another day in the life vlog for y'all. It is Monday when I'm filming this, July the 4th of 2022. Happy Independence Day, 4th of July to you guys. I mean, I know when you're seeing this, it's going to be July 5th, so that's over. So hopefully you did have an awesome Independence Day. Let me know down below, how did you spend your day? Did you do anything special? Was it just a nice, relaxing day off? I would love to hear it down below. It's kind of the hybrid for me. I don't really have any couponing videos to do today, so it is a day off. But I am also still trying to get some stuff done today, and I'm vlogging. So I'm just going to take you guys along for the ride. So it's going to be awesome. All right. I am here currently at JCPenney because JCPenney gave me this coupon. I have not seen coupons from JCPenney like this in forever, and I can show you the barcode because they both expire same day. $10 off of a $10 purchase at JCPenney. I have not seen a 10 off 10 in forever. We used to get them all the time, but I never get 10 off 10. Like, I'll get 10 off 25 or something, but that obviously can't get me something for free. And a 10 off 10, as long as I find something around $10, then I can get it for free. So that's going to be a lot of fun. I'm really excited for that. So I'm going to go ahead and try to put that to use. Then I'm also going to head over to Dollar Tree because I do want to pick up some more bins to organize my stockpile. Part of my stockpile, I talked about it last month and I set it all up and it looks really good. Part of it is organized with bins from the Dollar Tree, like the personal care things, and it's really, really great. I love it. The household stuff could definitely use some help. And I want to keep things from falling behind my shelves. I have that happen all the time where stuff falls behind the shelves and it's such a pain. So I want to go ahead and get more bins at the Dollar Tree today so I can organize the rest of my stockpile that way. I do want to finagle some things around. Is that a word? I want to move some things around. It's probably a better way to say it. I want to put, just move some stuff around to make it more functional. So I want to work on that a little bit today. And yeah, and of course we are going to have a little bit of 4th of July festivities. We're going to have a nice summertime meal, 4th of July meal. You got to have the essentials for the 4th of July. So we're having hot dogs and potato salad, baked beans, and angel food cake with strawberries. That'll be really good as well. So lots of fun in the works today, and I cannot wait to share it all. All right, gonna head into JCPenney. When they exclude items from the coupons, not cool. All right, so all done at JCPenney. I was trying to get the logo. Yeah, there. Man, they made that harder than it used to be. So many things in the store said either they were $9.99 and the coupon was $10 off, or it specifically said excluded from coupons, like doorbusters or whatever. So that was difficult. But I did finally find a pretty nice shirt. It was on sale for $14.99. It wasn't a doorbuster, and so I got the 10 off. So it only made it $4.99. So show it to you guys real quick. Just a pretty basic t-shirt. Yeah. But it works out pretty good. So yeah, they definitely made it harder than it used to be for sure. Cause like I used to go there, they would send us those coupons all the time and there really wouldn't be much exclusions on them. Like it would exclude the obvious things like name brands like Levi and stuff, but it always worked on sales and things. And this coupon did work on sales, but it excluded doorbusters. And the problem was most of the store was doorbusters. So it took a little bit, but I finally found something. So I got that shirt for only $5 and some change, which I am really happy with. That was a good deal. So I'm now gonna go to Dollar Tree and hopefully find the bins I'm looking for. Because I want to, like I said, work on the stockpile a little bit and get the laundry stuff all nice and organized. It is definitely in need. And I also want to organize like the medicines and things because I currently have them in drawers and like a dresser that we have. But I don't know, it's not out in the open and it's easy to misplace things. So I would like to go ahead and just better organize all of this stuff, and the bins will help me do that. And the main reason is, like I talked about earlier, is things just keep falling behind the bins and it really, really is annoying. So yeah, that's kind of what's up with that. So I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree now and look for the bins. Okay, so Dollar Tree was a success. I got tons and tons and tons of bins. I missed the old $1 Dollar Tree because I spent over 25 bucks. Money just doesn't go like it used to, but still way cheaper. I saw similar bins at Target for $3. So to get this for $1.25 a piece is really good. So I got several different bins here. These to kind of organize medicines, and then these to organize bigger things. So I'm gonna go home and put these to use. Nothing else proves it's summer more than the smell of watermelon, like literally so good. All right, guys, it is later now, and I want to get going on the Stockpile Part 2 revamp. Let me kind of show you guys what I had already done with you guys a couple weeks ago. I mean, I kind of moved everything around a few weeks ago, but I had done some stuff with like the personal care things. Let me just show you that. So I actually got all of it organized into bins. So like I have all these different bins, and it holds everything really, really nicely. And I don't know, it just makes life a lot easier having it all in bins, and it keeps things from falling behind or whatever. So my laundry stuff, which is actually not horribly organized, but I find things falling a lot. Like a bottle of detergent fell behind the shelf, and like dish soap is falling all over each other, and it's just a hot mess. So I want to also organize these things into bins as best as I can to keep things from falling. Also, this isn't the most functional setup ever. What I would like to do is I have medicines in these drawers. I would like to have all the medicines up here and find another spot for the toilet paper. And so I'm going to see what I can do. I'm going to try my best to organize and revamp this, and I'm just going to take you guys along for the ride. So let's just dive right in. right, guys, it is now time for the Stockpile reveal. After all of that work, I am super, super impressed with how awesome this turned out. I won't say it didn't go off without a hitch. I definitely didn't have enough of these to go around. Then I bought too many of the little ones like this. These did not work out too well. So wish I would have got more of these, but I was able to make do. I asked anybody else in the house if they had them. My grandma had a few I was able to go ahead and use. And then if I ever do decide to add on, I would get bins to put the bleach in and these things. So, but otherwise, it actually worked out really, really well. So I'm just going to go ahead and give you a little update. These bins from Dollar Tree worked awesome. If you have these plastic shelves, these are the couponer shelves that I see a ton of people have. The Dollar Tree bins actually go like 2 deep, so it works out really, really well. So here I have dryer sheets, and the thing I like about this is if I ever need to expand, you know, I could go ahead, flip it around. I could remove things around and add another row. But this is full of dryer sheets, and then I have 2 back of fabric softener, and then I keep like Shout, spray and wash, wrinkle release, stuff like that. And in here I keep scent beads, scent boosters, scent beads, stuff like that. I'm not sure where this basket came from, probably Dollar Tree. But it was just already here, so I went ahead and used what we had. And then we had some of these from our pantry, which we kind of redid a little bit, and so I was able to put them to good use here in the Stockpile. So I was able to use this. I put Lysol wipes back here, the little trial packs, and the like whatever they call these, like baby wipe container size ones. And then here I have the disinfecting wipes. I got a ton of them, which is awesome. Here I got disinfecting spray and bleach. I would like the bleach to also be like I have that stuff in, but for now it's okay. I made do. Okay, and then down here is detergents. Detergent overload. I really stocked up on that Arm & Hammer sale at Kroger. I also got 5 of the all detergents from Walmart recently, so I got a lot of detergent. So what I did was I was able to put 2 back and then 2. So 4 bins per row, and they each hold about 7 detergents, give or take. So I am able to fit a ton in here. I was able to put one of these huge bottles here in the middle. Then I got more detergent, even more. Definitely, there's room to grow. There's room to add more. This is all laundry pods. Again, this is just a random bin we had in the house. So I put that to good use, and then more big bottles. Sweet. This is what I'm most excited about. The cleaners were definitely in need of organizing. They were all just in a row, crammed whatever the way they could, and this is so much better. So I got all-purpose cleaner, goes 2 back. Dish soap goes 2 back. So I got the spray dish soaps and then the regular dish soap. Then I got another one of those like double storage things where I keep dish pods and things like that. Toilet bowl cleaner, bathroom cleaner, and some random other cleaners. And then down here's the same, just feminine care product and stuff like that. Then let me show you guys this. This is the same, just deodorant and like shaving cream and stuff. That is all the same. And then over here, some of the toilet paper is still here. I did move some of the Babos over here. I still got the toilet paper stacked here. I don't think there's going to be much better use of space. I did move the pharmacy stuff here. This isn't amazing, but I think it is better than being in bins like that. So, you know, I got pain relief items like aspirin and like thermacare, stuff like that. And then this is all like Band-Aids and first aids. So tons of Band-Aids and like first aid tape. Disposable gloves, we got these at Sam's Club. We use these from like cooking and things. So we bought them in a big bulk pack and still have a ton. And then here we have like stomach remedies like Tums, Alka-Seltzer, stuff like that. And then here's like legit stomach meds like Zantac, Dogalax, things like that. And this is all full of vitamins. So this turned out really, really well. And then I did not change a thing here. So if you saw the last Stockpile tour, this is all the same. This is like car clips and oil refills, Fabuloso cleaner, soap and sanitizer, more soap. All this is soap refills, soap for days. This is like the Airwick, stupid Airwick holders I just keep in this box. Febreze and fabric refresher. And then here's like all hair products. So stylers and shampoos goes all the way down there, which is great. And then here we have like face stuff. So facial care, Q-tips, stuff like that. This could be a little better organized, but for now I'm fine. Wipes over there, and then we got some more cleaners that just wouldn't fit over here. Other cleaning stuff. School items could be better organized, but we'll get there. All that is razors, full of razors. And then here's, oh, I forgot, down here is not shampoo, it's body wash. So men's body wash, women's body wash, and then like gift sets and stuff. So that's cool. And then we got Palmolive shaking clean kits. These are so bulky, I don't really know what to do with them. Paper products, tons and tons and tons of paper products going down there, which is a good problem to have. Glad to have a lot of that. Because hey, back when COVID hit, this was something I was so thankful to have. So when deals come along that are good, I will take advantage. I have more toilet paper actually upstairs. It's got to come down here, so I got to find a place to put that. Toothpaste, I divvied it up into these 2 bins from Dollar Tree. We just had these on hand, so put them to use. And then we got mouthwash. It's definitely grown since the last Stockpile tour. Denture items and like retainer cleaner. We got toothbrushes and like miscellaneous toothpaste. And down there is floss and other like pocket packs. So the Stockpile is actually looking really, really good. I'm so glad I went ahead and got the bins. And even if nothing else, it makes it look more aesthetically pleasing, I think. It just makes it look more like legit. So I do want to get more bins for the bleach and preferably a better solution for the disinfecting spray. But for now, I am thrilled with this. This turned out great. Oh my gosh, guys. I have tried filming this intro, or not intro, but this portion of the vlog like 4 times. And every single time I start, I just end up coughing. Oh my word. Something must have irritated my allergies all of a sudden. I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to sit down and kind of debrief everything that has happened today. I hope you enjoyed seeing the Stockpile like revamp. I am so glad I did that. It looks so much better. I love the bins from Dollar Tree. I'm not sponsored by Dollar Tree, by the way. I just really love how the bins look and organize things. And I've just been so fed up with things falling behind the shelves. I've had enough. And I was just like, we got to go ahead and get the bins. So I went in and got more bins, and I still could use a couple more. I will say it takes a lot of bins, and $1.25 is a good price. But when you have to buy a bunch of them, it can add up quick. So that's why I split it up. You know, last month I did some. I should probably do a couple more. But for now, I'm actually really, really happy. We had the 4th of July like dinner. It was a very low-key 4th of July, actually. It was just us, those of us who live here. There wasn't really any gatherings or anything this year. So it was actually a really nice, laid-back, chill day. It was weird to not have YouTube stuff going on, really, but thankfully it worked out on the 4th of July. I didn't have any couponing videos or anything like that to make, so it was just like a really nice day. Had a dinner, and we made the 4th of July food, so we had hot dogs, and my grandma's homemade potato salad. So good. We really only have that if it's like Labor Day, Memorial Day, or 4th of July. So it's always a treat when we get to have that. And then baked beans. We did have some chips and like some cauliflower and broccoli. So that was really good. And then we also had, for dessert, angel food cake with strawberries. Because the angel food cake goes on sale at Kroger this week. So that was awesome to work that in. So guys, that is kind of what happened today. We got a lot to do tomorrow. So yeah. But thankfully today was a nice day. I don't want to end this video without giving my respects to everybody who was impacted by the shooting in Chicago today at the 4th of July parade. I'm just so tired of hearing about how these awful people just take their issues out on others and do these senseless shootings. There's no reason for it at all. And it's just really sad that people have to take their own issues out on innocent people. And I want to give my respects to those 6 lives that were lost today and to their families and anyone who was impacted by this event. And sad, really sad. That is all I got for today's vlog. I do hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.